Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine taking one single photo and turning it into a cinematic, moving video in seconds, no camera, no editing skills, completely free. That's exactly what image-to-video AI generators do, and in 2026 they are absolutely mind-blowing. Today I'm revealing the 5 best free image-to-video AI websites that actually deliver pro-level results without asking for your credit card. These tools let you upload any image and watch it come alive with realistic motion, camera moves, and effects. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, or just love experimenting, stick around because I'll show you exactly how to use each one, their pros and cons, and my top tips. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5 is Pika AI at pika.art. This one is super beginner friendly and perfect if you want quick, creative, stylized animations. How to use it? Just sign up free, upload your image, add a simple text prompt like, camera slowly zooming in with cinematic lighting, and hit generate. You get 5-second clips in seconds. Pros: lightning fast, fun effects like peak effects, free monthly credits, around 35 to 80 depending on plan, no watermark on basic outputs. Cons: lower resolution on free plan, 480p, and shorter clips. It's ideal for social media reels or fun experiments. I've used it to turn a static portrait into a talking character, results are playful and addictive. Number 4 is the legendary Runway ML. Head to runwayml.com and grab their free 125 one-time credits, that's enough to test several image-to-video clips. Upload your image, choose image-to-video mode Gen 4 Turbo, write a motion prompt, and generate. You get advanced controls like motion brush and keyframes. Pros: professional grade motion physics, great for filmmakers, 720p output on free plan. Cons: credits are one time only, so use them wisely. Runway is my go-to when I want precise camera moves and artistic flair. It feels like having a mini Hollywood VFX team. Coming in at number 3 is Hailuo AI, also known as Minimax, at Hailuo AI Video. This one gives you genuinely impressive quality completely free with daily credits or cute tasks. Upload any photo, describe the motion, gentle wind blowing through hair, slow pan right, and generate. No login needed for basic use in many regions. Pros: excellent realism, lifelike emotion in faces, fast rendering, commercial usage possible on free tier, check terms. Cons: occasional queue during peak hours and short watermark on some free outputs. Hailuo consistently ranks as one of the best free options in 2026, the motion looks almost real. Silver medal goes to Kling AI at klingai.com. This tool is a beast for realistic human motion and physics. Sign up, go to image to video, upload your starting image, add a detailed prompt, and even use start plus end frames for perfect control. Free daily generations are available. Pros: insanely smooth 1080p motion, natural physics cloth, hair, water, multi-shot storytelling. Cons: slightly longer wait times on free tier. If you want Hollywood-level results for free, Kling is hard to beat. I turned a simple landscape photo into a flying drone shot, jaw-dropping. And the winner for 2026 is Luma AI Dream Machine at lumalabs.ai/dream-machine!. This is the king of photorealistic image-to-video. Upload your image, add a prompt or use their advanced settings, and generate cinematic clips. Free trial credits plus limited monthly free generations are available. Pros: best temporal consistency and realism, works amazingly on portraits, landscapes, and complex scenes. Cons: free credits are limited, 720p with possible watermark, so plan your generations. Luma turns ordinary photos into movie-like footage. It's the one I recommend first to everyone. So which one are you trying first? Drop your answer in the comments and tell me what image you're going to animate. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more free AI tools, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Links to all 5 tools are in the description below. Go create something awesome today. See you in the next video. Peace out.